Jai Hind to all. Today is which date? 25 April 2020, right? And which day? Saturday. Okay. So today first standard English medium maths we are going to study. We have already studied 3 parts, right? Now today we'll start part number 4. Okay, part 4. So first chapter already we have completed, right? So today we are going to start chapter number 2, learning numbers 0 to 10. Now I will first write heading C, learning numbers 0 to 10. Okay, in this chapter we have to study from 0 to 10 all number. Okay, how to read this heading? LEARNING, learning, and NUMBERS, numbers 0 to 10. Here I have drawn dash, so what you have to speak 2. Okay, learning numbers 0 to 10. Okay, now first you have to study 0 to 10 numbers and also number name. Number name, it means their spellings. Okay, so now first I will write all number. First what comes? 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. I think you all know this number because in senior KG you had already studied, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And also you know the spelling, but I think you know the 1 to 10 spelling, right? But 0 spelling is, I think, new for you, right? So first I will write spelling. So what is the spelling of 0? See here. Z-E-R-O, 0. Z-E-R-O, 0. Then 1. O-N-E, 1. O-N-E, 1. Then 2. T-W-O, 2. T-W-O, 2. Then 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. What is the spelling of 3? T-H-R-E-E, 3. Then 4. F-O-U-R, 4. F-O-U-R, 4. 5. F-I-V-E, 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Then S-I-X, 6. S-I-X, 6. Next S-E-V-E-N, 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. What is the spelling of it? E-I-G-H-T, 8. Then 9. N-I-N-E, 9. N-I-N-E, 9. And last 10. T-E-N, 10. Okay, T-E-N, 10. This all number and also its number name, means spelling. You have to study in this chapter, and with the use of this all number we will count the objects, and also we will match the number with its number name. Okay, fine. Now see here, suppose I write here heading count and write. How to read this heading? C-O-U-N-T, count, A-N-D, and W-R-I-T-E, write. Count and write. Means whichever object I draw here, you have to count them and then you have to write the number. Suppose one triangle or one smiley, then you have to write that 1, 2, then you have to write 2. Okay. Now I will draw here object. See. First I will draw tree. How many that you have to count them and then we'll write number that these many trees are here. Okay. Okay, fine. Now I have drawn the tree and whichever number will count, we will write number in the box. Okay. So how you have to count? First you have to cut them and then you have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many trees are here? 5 happen. So we'll write 5 number in the box. Easy, right? Second one, suppose I draw triangles. Okay, now I will cut them and count that how many triangles are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many triangles happen? 6. Okay. Now let us will do one exercise. Okay. Okay. In worksheet also I will give you homework like that. Count and write. So how you can count? See. You have to first cut them and then you have to write whichever number comes in the box. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So number you have to write here. 10 happen. Next. Here smileys are drawn. So we'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many smileys happen? 9, right? So we'll write 9 number in the box. Now tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many trees happen? 6. Okay. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 number, right? Now here next 1, 2. So we'll write here 2 number. Next here balls are here, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many balls total? 12. Okay. Now I think you all understood count and write. Okay, fine. Okay, now next exercise. I told you, right, that you have to study match the following also, right? So now I will write heading of match the following. How to read this heading? MATCH, match. THE, the. FOLLOWING, following. Match the following. Suppose I write 1, 2, 3, 4. And over this side, suppose I write FOUR 4, ONE 1, TWO 2, THREE 3. And you have to match this number with number name. So what you will do? 1. So you know the spelling of 1, right? So ONE 1, right? So you have to match it with 1. Then 2. You know the spelling of 2? Yes. TWO 2. Find out where is the 2? Here it is, right? So match it. 3. What is the spelling of 3? THREE 3. So where is 3? Here, last. So match. And what is the spelling of 4? FOUR 4. So where is the 4? First one. Okay. Now For better understanding, I will give you more example, right? So see here. Here also match the following is there, right? So here 1 is there. So you have to find out where is the 1 spelling. So here it is, second one. So O-N-E 1. 2. What is the spelling of 2? Where 2 spelling? Here it is, right? T-W-O 2. Then 3. 3 where is? Here it is, right? So match. 4. Where is 4? 4. So where is 4 spelling? Here it is. So match. 5 then. Where is the 5 spelling? Last one. So match it. 6 then. Where is 6? Here it is. So here match. And 7 where? Where is the 7? First one, right? So match it with 7 spelling. Okay. Okay. Now another exercise. Draw the smiles according to the numbers. First you need to read the heading, right? DRAW, draw. THE, the. SMILES, smiles. ACCORDING, according. TO, to. THE, the. NUMBERS, numbers. Draw the smiles according to the numbers. Now all of you like smiley, right? Smiles. So how you have to draw smiles? See here. This way you have to draw first circle, then 2 eyes. Okay. Do you like smiley? Right? So that you have to draw here. Suppose I write 2. Then how many smiles you have to draw? 2 smiles. But how to draw? First you have to draw 2 circles. See how I have drawn 2 circles. See, 2, then 2 circles first draw. Then after easy, draw its eyes and smile. Okay, happen here 2 smiles. But suppose I write 5, then many smiles you have to draw, right? So first what you have to do? 5 circles you have to draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you have to check it that total 5 are there or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5. Then after easily draw eyes and smile. Okay. Suppose I write 1, then only 1 circle. So 1 happen. Then okay, 1 smiley, right? Suppose I write 6, then how many circles you have to draw first? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. First, then you have to check them, right? Otherwise, if you speak 6 but you draw only 5 circles, then what will happen? Your answer will be wrong, right? So check first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then after draw eyes and smiley. Okay, fine. Okay, so students, today what we have studied? We have studied 0 to 10 numbers and also its number name. So what you have to do? You have to by heart these all spellings. Okay, fine. Thank you.